welcome back to my channel. I'm finally doing the kitchen tour. I can't believe it's been like almost a year since we started with the renovations. So first things first, we're gonna talk about the countertops that we chose. So we did go with quartz instead of real marble just because it's easier to take care of. I chose a minimal vein look to it. We did take it all the way to the backsplash as well, and also the waterfall, which is my favorite part of it all. Right here, if you guys saw in the before, there were cabinets here. We took them off and we added these pendant lights from West Elm. We did go with the clear pendant just because it is a small kitchen and we don't want to take away from the view of the rest of the kitchen when you walk into the kitchen. For the sink, we went for an open sink. Our old sink had like a separation thing and it was just harder to like wash my big pozole pots, you know. The faucet, I got it on Amazon. It has two modes, so it has your regular mode and then it has the waterfall mode, and then this also extends. It was pretty affordable, and I like that the gold doesn't look like the shiny gold, it's like the brass gold. I'll link it down below for you guys if you guys are interested. For the countertop right here, I just have this little ring holder where I can take off my rings whenever I'm gonna wash dishes. This little tray is from Target. On the tray, I just have this little bubble candle that a subscriber gifted me. That was so nice of her. And then my hand wash soap and this little dish scrub from Homegoods. For the bottom of the sink, we just use it for storage. I just have all my cleaning supplies and a couple other things. For the cabinets, we did go with white. We were kind of scared. I was kind of scared because I thought they were going to get dirty fast, but they actually don't. Even our parents are like, why? But I feel like with white, you know when it's dirty and you have to clean it, versus something that's dark. It can be dirty and you can't even see it. For the handles, these are from Amazon as well. They match perfectly with the sink. I chose a longer handle versus a shorter one. I read somewhere that the longer the handle, the longer the cabinet looks. So inside, I wasn't prepared to show the insides of the kitchen, but it's okay. Here I have my tea mugs, wine glasses, and my coffee mugs right here. On this side, I just have shot glasses, cups, and a couple plates. Right here on the countertop, I have my boards, a little molcajete thing, mortar I think it's called. I love the color of it. It's so like nude. And then I have this little vase, which I got from a local girl who goes thrifting, and then yeah, I got it from her. On this drawer, I have a couple just miscellaneous things that we need in the kitchen, like measuring cups, straws. Right here, I just use this for extra storage. For the microwave, it's just your regular microwave. I wanted a hood vent, but I mean, they're a little bit pricey. And with the appliances, we got a deal during Black Friday and it came with the whole set. I went with this one because I like that the stove has the buttons over here instead of up here. That way the backsplash can shine on its own, and I like how they put the heavy veining right here in the middle. The hand towel, I got this from Target from the Project 62 line. For the cabinets up there, I don't have anything. It's just the vent. But over here, I don't want to show you guys because it's not organized, but I have all of my cooking spices and everything that you need in your kitchen. Right here in this little corner, I have my oil. I have it in on this little thing. This is where I had my utensils, but I have too many and this was too small. I got it from Homegoods. It was on like the clearance section. I was gonna use it for like pens and pencils, but I saw that it says cutlery, so this is where I had them. But I got too many, so now I just have my little oil here, and it looks cute. This vessel is from Homegoods. I just put all my wooden spoons and everything that I need. Almost all of these spoons are from Homegoods as well. And then here I just have garlic, because who doesn't use garlic, and it just looks cute. In this drawer right here, I just have my spoon resters and some coasters. This one right here is not organized, but it's just where I have more cutting boards and some paper towels and a Cholula bottle because it doesn't fit up here. Inside of these cabinets, I have a mess. I have all of my coffee stuff, my syrups, everything, my can openers. My fruit bowl is from At Home. I've been having this one for a while. They have a lot of them, so I'm pretty sure you can still find them over there. But I just have some citruses, my avocados. And then right over here, I have my new toaster. Isn't it pretty? It's touch. It gives it a little vintage look, retro type, and it matches the kitchen because it has like those little brass details. I got it from Walmart website. I will have it linked down below. It's super inexpensive and it's beautiful. I have more utensils here. All the organizers are from HomeGoods. Now, another reason why I chose this set of appliances is because of the fridge. I like that the handles are hidden in here and not out here, so it makes it look more slick. And then it has an ice machine, which we need an ice machine. My husband uses it every day. Yeah, it's the regular shelf fridge. I just feel like it's just easier to organize stuff, just having a regular shelf instead of like drawers, the one that's half drawer, half doors. This little rug or mat, whatever you want to call it, is from Target. I got the wrong size. It was supposed to be the small one to go like this, but it was a big one. But I liked how it looks, so I just kept it. Now for my pantry space, this is how it originally was. And when we got it, obviously when we were gonna renovate it, I told my husband, I'm like, what if we just get the whole like cabinet doors all the way down? But we couldn't because we have the electrical here, so we're like, whatever, let's just do it how it was. So we got the same marble backsplash. So up here, obviously, like I said, it's just pantry stuff. It's a little organized. These helped me a lot. I got them from my wedding. And then these from the thrift store. Oh my god, I shouldn't have told you guys. Right here, I wanted to make a little coffee bar, but I don't have a coffee machine, so I went with a tequila bar, porque somos de Jalisco y nos gusta el tequila. These are just mine and my husband's favorite tequila. This one right here, I got it from the pueblo where my parents are from, which is La Sauceda, and this is the old church / hacienda. So this is just for memories, you know, a recuerdo. This one over here is I got it from Tequila Jalisco when we went on the tequila tours. I thought it said El Jalisciense, and when I got here I read that it says El Tequilense, but it's okay, it's still cute. And then I just have these cute little shot glasses from HomeGoods. They go really well with the bottles. The texture of this bottle I love, and this is the smoothest tequila, so I recommend. This wooden tray is from HomeGoods. It has a handle, that's why I liked it. I got it during Christmas last year, so that's why it has like the little checkered thing in the middle, but it's okay because the bottles kind of cover it. And then over here I have my Windy Lady, I think that's what it's called. I got her from a local antique store here in Arizona, and I like her. She blends in. And then right here we just have more pantry stuff. And this is the dishwasher. It's super simple. The buttons are like hidden up here. That came with the set. We don't really use dishwashers here, but we just decided to add it because if we do ever move, I know that there's people that do use the dishwasher regularly, so that's why we added it. All right, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little kitchen tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.